What's up, my LS crazy amigos? Your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. That's right. Yo, what we're gonna do, you know what's up with the Trailblazer. You know what's up. You've been seeing the videos. You know what's up. We getting this Trailblazer tight. All right? And really, when I say tight, I really mean tight, because what I'm gonna do now, today, is I'm gonna replace the rear sway bar. That's right, my man Tony at TBSS Owners, he hooked me up with an adjustable sway bar for the rear. Because, you know, the little sway bar in the back of this thing, it's okay, it's cool, but I want to get a better one, you know, because everyone knows this about me. I love my twisties. Even though this is an everyday vehicle, you know, but it gives you a couple of options if you want a softer or either more firm. Now, to remove the sway bar is pretty simple to do. Okay, you're going to have to remove that bolt right there that holds the sway bar bracket, and this bolt right here to the end link. What I'll do is I'll take my little Allen key vice grip concoction, all right, and I put speed ratchet over it, and put this in the holder, because if you don't do it this way, it's going to spin. All right, loose enough for me to finger it, loose it. There's the end link. Okay, right off the bat, you can see Tony's sway bar is a little bit thicker than stock. All right, and it's powder coated. It looks nice. I can't wait to put this thing in. And this is an adjustable sway bar, which is kind of cool. So you have two settings. The furthest one out is for the softer setting, and this is for, I guess, a little bit more of an aggressive ride. But it comes with its own bushings. You have to reuse the bracket, the stock bracket. And it also comes with grease, which you should definitely use when you install this. So let's get installing. Let's get installing. Check this out. This is kind of slick. This is the bushing. It's a bigger bushing, bigger diameter bushing for the bigger sway bar. And you're going to maintain your original stock bracket that holds it to the car. But look at this bushing. There's an arrow that points forward. So it's foolproof. It's foolproof. Let me show you where it's going. Now don't forget, there's a dimple. See that little dimple right there? That seats right there with the bushing. So again, foolproof. Okay, got it in. Looking all kinds of pretty. Sway bar's hanging down the way it should. All right, now remember, I went with the softer setting. This is a little bit more aggressive, but you know, like I said, this is my everyday vehicle. Now remember, to get this bar in, I had to center it in the middle, lift up this end, and put it over the lower control arm, and then I went to the other side and picked it up and brought it over, you know, the other control arm. I didn't, you know, that's the best way I found to get it in. So that's all there is to it to install one of these sway bars from Tony. It's relatively simple, and you know, give it a shot. You guys can do it. I'm sure you can. All right, but I'm looking at the clock on the wall. It's right there. Or should I say ceiling? I'm gonna get back to doing some more videos for you guys, because this is what I do, this is what I love, because it's all about the love for you guys, and I appreciate the love that you give me back. So as always, please be easy, all right? And I will catch you guys real soon. Take care.